Good morning, Justin here with Bike and Bird Motovlog. Today, not gonna be exactly a motovlog. I'm on my way right now to go pick up my best friend Brad and his brother Keith. We are going to a bachelor party for his sister's fiance. Yeah. Their future brother-in-law, essentially. It is now 7:52 in the morning, which, if you ask me, is way too goddamn early for a freaking bachelor party. God damn it. The agenda for the day is we're starting off by going over to a shooting range. We're gonna be there for a couple hours, and then after that, we are going to K1 Speed. K1 is a indoor go-kart track. I am going to dominate. I'm going to go ahead and say it right now. I will win first place at that. If I don't, major props to that guy who does beat me. After that, we are heading back over to their side of town for a round of bubble soccer. If you've never seen bubble soccer, here's a little clip of it. And then after that, we're coming back to Brad's house for a night of barbecue, poker, and alcohol. Oh, motherfucker. So I got the squad with me now. Just kidding. I'm gonna go pick up some Toro del Rojo for El Energio. And then head out to go shoot some guns. Pew pew, yeah! America. Picked up the rest of the squad. Squad. Blah, 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 blah. Careful, it's a Mustang. Everyone run. Who the fuck are you?
Look at these right here.
Sir, you got a license to carry this?
No, it's fat.
It's all fat. The rest of the squad.
He ain't fat, bro.
Okay, look at this guy. All right, ready? Ready? Swerve. 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 He thinks he's that color, but he ain't. Shit, everybody run! We're on the curb, but that doesn't mean shit.
What's up? Doing okay? I can't hear you. What'd you say? What'd you say?
Huh?
I can't hear you. You shut the fuck up.
Oh. All right.
You made him nervous.
Now you know how your dog feels when you fuck with him. Shit. I'm gonna go hide back here.
Black guns matter.
I know black on black crime is more prominent, but I don't want to take the chance.
Towards me. Yeah. Sorry.
I was like, God.
You can see where someone's done that before.
My brother, guys.
Rise, my minions. Rise. I wonder if it happens if I set it in there.
You got ants on it now.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Go away. Dude, they are all over it. I don't know what I expected. Wasn't my smartest decision.
There you go.
I had nothing to shoot at.
Don't fuck with me, man. Sorry.
Dude, give Willie a chance.
That's all I wanted.
Come on, man. And I just hit it. 31, 32. To just full pull, however you want to. That's a kick.
Alright, so you just saw us at the range. Got the squad rolling deep. Now we're headed out to part 2 of the festivities. K1! He looks so weird without glasses on. Woo! Damn it, I didn't change shoes. I'm in freaking boots. Oh god damn. Freaking baby gap seatbelts. Just kidding, they're probably normal size. I'm just fat. You gonna hook it up, right? What? You gonna hook it up? God, I can't take him anywhere. God, come on, rookies!
Follow me on Instagram at youngpepe__.
Woo, look at that, __. Look at those motherfuckers. Born to race. Yeah, whatever. God, I hate full faces. No, they're safe, whatever. My harness is loose as shit. It's tight around my belly though. I ain't going nowhere. Hey, tell Johnny to try to make it more than 3 turns this time.
Hey, Johnny! What? Try to make it more than 3 turns this time.
It's not fair, he has an extra leg muscle. That was a black joke because the guy that got first was black.
Based on time, not position. Based on time, not position.
Don't turn in, don't turn in! Look at this loser right here. I'm talking mess, hold on.
Once I wave the green flag, y'all can go.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you kidding me? It's the first turn! Y'all suck! I'm saying this in the video now, this cart handles like shit!